Hello and welcome back to SAP Plant Maintenance Training. In this session we're going to look at how to create a strategy. Basically, strategy is has a number of activities in a sequence for periodic maintenance. And strategy is a bit generic. I mean, it is not assigned to any plant or any equipment. Once we create a strategy, then it can be assigned to any, it can be used by a number of plant equipments which have got a similar strategy maintenance requirements. So to create a strategy, we go to transaction called IP11. So let's go to IP11, maintenance strategy. So I'm going to create a new strategy. New strategy, say cleaning. Clean one is my strategy. So what I'm saying is cleaning of the equipment. So we're going to do a periodic cleaning of the equipment. Scheduling indicator is time. Strategy unit is day. And call horizon is 100. Once we have done this one, press enter, go to packages. New entries. So let's say we do 30 days, every 30 day, cleaning every 30 day. So we need to give a short text here. So let's say CL, hierarchy, because it's a top operation, 1, then again CL will do that. So once we have done this one, this is what we have done already. Press save. So once we saved, our package will be saved. So once we have saved this one, so data was already saved, we can look here in the pack sequence. In the pack sequence, we can say every 30 days it's saying cleaning. So it depends how long is the schedule. Let's go back. So the next step is to assign the strategy. So we have created the strategy. Basically, as I said earlier, it's a general strategy which has been created, which is not assigned to any particular plant or equipment, and so it can be used by any plant and equipment. So as long as they have got the same strategy maintenance requirement, we don't need to create this sequence of activities again and again. Once we have created, we can just go and use it. To use this one, we need to have a task list. So let's go and create a task list, and in the task list then we will assign this maintenance strategy. For the task list, we will go into IA01. This is my equipment, so I'll go inside this one, electric pump. This is the task list number 2 that I'm creating for this equipment, so I will just create on new entries. Electric pump, our usage is 4 for plant maintenance. Our status is also 4, which is released. Now this is where we can assign the maintenance strategy. So our strategy was clean 1, it is here. I'm just enter this one. So in the equipment task list created in the header, there's a field maintenance strategy. We can find the strategy that we have just found and we have assigned it. Once the strategy has been assigned, click on operations. So work center is already there from the equipment itself. So let's say cleaning of the equipment, work. So I will just go here, do the internal, put the duration of the work, 1 hour, 1 and say 2 hours the total normal duration, 100%, and calculation key was 1. That's it. We go back. So this is our activity or the operation that we need. Now once we have done this one, we can see there is something called maintenance pack. Maintenance pack will only be visible once you have assigned a strategy to your task list. As we have done it, so it is there. Otherwise this will be again like some sort of a single cycle plan. So now it is there. We need to go into maintenance pack, select, look at the maintenance pack. So basically what we are doing is we're allocating the maintenance pack. Select, already selected. So the maintenance package has already been selected, and in the maintenance pack, select the operation against each line. We can go to operation from here, which is basically bringing us back to the main screen that we had done earlier. Now if you want, we can assign a component. If you go into component view, so if you need a material, say I will just say I need oil. How much? 1 liter of oil. I will backflash, press enter, go back. So this we have done. We have assigned the maintenance pack. We have gone into component view. We have looked at the operation. We have done everything, and now we can save. So we have created a strategy, and we have assigned the strategy now to a equipment by the equipment task list. So now let's create a strategy plan. So the strategy which has been assigned to the equipment task list, we need to plan it. Let's go to IP42. IP42. Notification strategy, the one that we created, which was clean one. Press enter. Cleaning of the pump, because now it is specific to the pump. Functional location, equipment, notification type, M1, press enter. Now it will give us the priority, so let's say high. The next thing is we need to now pick up the equipment task list. Press on the binoculars and press execute here. It has picked up the equipment task list. This is group 2 for this equipment. So now we picked all the data that we needed, and now let's schedule this one. Go into the scheduling. Let's schedule it again for 180 days, starting from today. And then save. So a maintenance plan has been created. Maintenance plan 361 has been created. Let me just save it. So next step is to schedule it. So as we saw earlier, we can schedule it from here directly. Let's schedule it from here. It will fall automatically into the transaction called IP10. Once we are here, start. Yep. Select this line. Release flag. So we save it, so it will say it has been scheduled. It is saving a notification. Plan 361 has been scheduled. We can go to see the notification. I will just open another session, IW 23. So it will show us a notification here. Or what I can do is I can go here into maintenance plan display. In the maintenance plan, go into scheduling parameters, go into, no, you don't need to go there. Go into schedule call item, so the list is there. And then go to iClass. This will take us again to the same location of notification which we are looking at here in the transaction IW23. So once this notification is created and sent, the technician should perform the activity then, and he should close this notification. So this is how you create a strategy, assign the strategy to equipment task list, create a strategy plan, create a notification out of a strategy plan, and complete a notification from strategy plan. So I will end this session here. In the next session we will take a new topic and start with that. Thank you. See you.